Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna review a product which is from the brand Party Queen, and this is their color Elixir, and these products, firstly I would like to tell you that these products are, I am not sure whether available online, but these products are available in beauty center. So if you stay in Mumbai, then this is the product which you should have. And I just wanted to throw that because I know if you'll see the review and if you watch the take of mine on this particular product, then definitely you need to buy this product because this is a very amazing product, keeping price range in mind. So if you want to know my take on this color Elixir from the brand Party Queen, then keep on watching. As I've already told you guys that this product is right now available in beauty centers which are in Mumbai. But apart from that, I have seen Amazon as well as Flipkart, but these are not available. But they are available on AliExpress, so you can order them from AliExpress. And on AliExpress, prices are around 600 rupees, whereas 600, oh my god, that's a huge amount. On AliExpress, this is for between like 60 to 90 rupees, but less than 100 rupees. And I got them for 120 rupees from Beauty Center. Now, talking about the packaging, it comes in a pencil form, and not very sleek, but not as thicker as Lakme and Revlon ones. These are, compared to them, slimmer, very slimmer, very thinner compared to those. And it has a black matte packaging, and the content are written in silver, whereas the end part of the pencil has the color in which the lip shade is there, so it should be like a hint for you if you're keeping it like this. But if you're keeping it like this, like where the point is on top, you can actually see the color as well, because the cap is clear, so it's very easy to know which color you want to rock it now. And they have even given the names with the shade numbers, which is too good at this price. Like 120 rupees, you are getting the name, everything is kept, and they have kept the name as well, like very nice. So I like that. And talking about staying power, it stays to your lip like approximately from 3 to 4 hours. It really stays. So when you apply this to your lip, it will give you a matte finish. However, your lip will feel moisturized. That is the plus for me, because most of the liquid lipsticks or matte lipsticks make your lips extremely dry. Like the one I'm carrying right now, this is from In Color Match Me, and this makes your lips very dry. I have applied this with a lip gloss so that my lips should not look cakey. So you don't have to do that with this, because it really moisturizes your lips. At the same time, it gives you matte finish. I absolutely love this product. I own four, so before further ado, as I have said, I love these products. I will recommend you guys, if you see these products, please buy it. Don't think like, don't even give another chance of thought like whether should I or whether I shouldn't. Just get it because this product is worth. Now, I have four shades. Let's get into the swatches and how exactly I feel about the colors, like I'll share with you. So let's get started. So I'm gonna clean my lips with a baby wipe. As you guys can see, I just removed my lips. It's looking very uh, like natural, or I should say very like red. So I just rub the brush which I have used in order to apply the powder onto my lip, onto my face, so that the lip should not be wet, because if it is like that, then the pigmentation of the lipstick will not look the way it should look. Now we'll go from lighter to darker. The very first shade which I'm gonna try is 15 Edge Pink. guys can see, this is a very light pink color, like pink with a hint of coral, a hint of nude, everything is there. So it is absolutely beautiful for the days you want your makeup to, your lipstick to look very natural. I absolutely love this, and only for 120 rupees. Again, the shade is Edge Pink 15. Now, the second shade which I'm gonna try is my favorite among all four. Now, this one is 07 Earth Tone. Like, this is absolutely beautiful nude brown for me. As you guys can see, this is absolutely beautiful shade, like Kylie Jenner kind of that. I feel like that. And this is brown nude, absolutely great for Indian skin tones. Now the third shade, last two shades are a little darker, like apt for winter days. Let me just clean it. Okay, the third shade which I'm gonna try is 04 Never. Never say never. I love that song. I love that song from Karate Kid. Never say never. Never say never. Never say never. This is the color. This is more towards red maroon shade, which is great for night outs, night out parties. So yes, I like it. Now coming towards the fourth shade, which is extreme dark. Let me just clean my lip. You guys can see it's very easy to remove, but when you keep it on your lip for a while, then it becomes more, it settles on your lips, and it stays for much more longer duration of time. Now the very last shade is Nutmeg 03. This is great for night outs, whether you are attending some parties, some events. This is the shade, and especially for those winter days, those winter nights. So this is the look. As you guys can see, it's quite like vampire kind of a color, which is great for winter. But even for the night parties, late night dinners, this is a great shade. I like it. I really like it. And if among four, if you want me to ask, like if you ask me if I will recommend only one shade, then that is 102% earth tone. I absolutely love this shade. And the second one will be the pink one, that is just a second, Edge Pink. These two shades you need to get it for the winters. You can go ahead with these darker shades. And I hope the video was helpful. If you like the video, don't forget to like, thumbs up, so that I should know that I should make videos, like I should review products which are a bit different. And by different I mean which are not like the brands which are very popular, but the ones which are new or very small brands. And apart from that, if you like the video, don't forget to thumbs up. That's it, and at the last I say take care and stay pretty.